Hello guys, I hope you all are doing good. So today in this video I am going to tell you the secret that how you can edit your videos when you have recorded any video from the Lightboard. You will be getting a very good output with this technique, and I hope you will be liking my video and subscribing to the channel, and you will be spreading this video with a lot of people so that more and more people will get benefited. So I hope you will not be finding this technique all over in the YouTube, and this is actually my personal technique that I have used. So first of all, the output is looking like this. The output is here. You can see the output is flipped. The output is mirror image. Whenever we are writing on the Lightboard, the output will be looking like this. So what we have to do, we have to click here, and now we have to double click here. So we have already taken the videos, imported the videos. This is the Wondershare Filmora software. I hope you all have seen the previous videos. If not, you can go and watch the previous videos. There I discussed what is this software, how we can do the basic editing with this software. So now here we have this software. I have double clicked on it. So there are various things that have opened. So now this is the transform option. So you can click here. So here we have various options present here. You just need to click on this flip option. So you can see here the output is flipped. Okay, so the output is the same thing that I require. Okay, so one thing is sorted, my output is flipped now. The second thing that I want is that I want my words to be very sharp. It should be very bright and the background should be darker. So I want all of these things. How I can do that? I can click on this video. I can go to this option, advanced color tuning, and I can click here. So when I click here, this window will open. Actually I have actually made a custom. So this LB custom is the custom that will be automatically enhancing my video. I will be telling you how you can make this custom here. So you have to go to adjust, you have to go to color. Actually you can also increase the brightness, so you can see the various numbers over here. The numbers are on the screen. You can actually play with it. I have played with the various things over here. Exposure you can increase or decrease, but if you will increase it too much, it will not be looking good. So you can increase or decrease the brightness. Contrast, you should be not increasing too much, or it should not be too less as well. Vibrance also you can increase or decrease, and you can note down all of the numbers, and then you can play with your video. So whatever the highlight option is there, highlight will be increasing the lightening of the digits over here. So if this antenna is written over here, so if I increase the highlight, this antenna will be more highlighted. So you can increase the highlight option as much as you can, and if you don't want it, you can decrease it as well. So it is dependent upon you. You can note down all of the things that all of the numbers of all of the things that I have placed here. So only you have to change with the color and the light. So now when you are done with all of the settings, you have to click OK. So you can see the output will be changed. It will be so much beautified and so much enhanced. So this is how your output will be looking like. Okay, so now after that you have to do the basic editing. You have to cut, or you have to mute, or you have to increase or decrease the speed. You have to zoom out. That I have already told you. Okay, or you can put the logo as well. After that, export, you have to export. In the export, you have to select the frame rate to be 30. So these things you must be remembering. I hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to push the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much once again.